bench plane, bench plane, bench plane, bench planes. The bench planes are used for producing flat and smooth surface by taking of thin shaving of wood. Different types of planes are used for this purpose. Types of planes. The most commonly available type of planes are jack planes, smoothing planes, rivet planes, and this is first. This is the jack plane. This is the jack plane, and this is the smooth planes, and this is the rivet planes. Jack planes. It is used for initial planning of timber to bring the size near to required measurements. Its means parts are indicates picture 2. This is the cutting blade. This is the cutting blade यानी कि lateral adjusting lever, adjusting nut, cutting iron या blade, cam, lever cap screw, knob and body. This is the jack plane. These parts are made of different material are listed below: body iron, handle wood, knob wood, cutting iron या blade tungsten steel, and all other parts metal. The size of the plane commonly used by an electrician is 350 mm long with a 50 mm blade. Smoothing plane. It is used for finishing the job to the required size and for planning a small wooden piece या part of the job. It is shorter in length as compared to the jack plane. Pictures 1b. The parts of smoothing planes are similar to those of the jack plane. Rivet plane. It is used for planning or finishing rivets. Rectangular recess cut along across the edge. Its main part are shown pictures 3. This is the handle, this is the blade, this is the cap with thumb blade, this is the depth gauge and body and rivet plane. The wide of the plane and blade is less and compared to that of the jack plane. Ensure that the blades are well sharpened before use. Always use the appropriate type of plane for given job. Rivet plane parts and their function. A rivet plane is used for planning and finishing the rivets. Parts of rivet plane. A metal rivet plane. A metal rivet plane consists of the following parts 1, and this is the pictures 1. This is the part of a body, and this is the depth gauge, and B is the handle. This is the handle. C is the blade. C is the blade, and D is the cap with thumb screw. A body made of metal with its face perfectly flat. B handle. It is the integral parts of the body. C it is made of well tempered steel. C cap with thumb screw. It is made of metal and it holds the cutter in position. Depth gauge. It is made of metal attached at one side of the plane and it can be adjusted according to the depth of the rivet. Wooden part rivet plane. It consists of the following parts given picture 2. Given picture 2, it is the wooden rivet plane. It is the wooden rivet plane, and body made of wood and holds the other parts. A blade made of the well tempered steel. Wedges made of wood hold the blade in the body to a set position, and but sure that the blade is sharp and it is set securely to its base before use. Drill bit size. Types on size. For marking round holes in different types of materials such as metal, wood, plastic, etc. drills are used. Types of drill bits. The most common drill bits are twist drill, A and B, flat drill. Twist drills may be parallel shank. This is the parallel shank, taper shank drills. Pictures given 1. And this is the A, B, C, and D. This is a tapered shank drill breed. Uh, this is tapered shank drills A, B, C, D. The parallel of strength shank drill are held in the drill chuck given a 2A. The tapered sand drills are held in tapered sockets in the drilling machine 2B. Parts of twist drills. A twist drill consists of body, point, neck, and shank. The point compresses the cutting elements while body guides the drills in operation to C. Given a 2, this is A types of drill bits, B and point B, neck, body, and this is the shank. This is the drill chuck and tapered shank and drill in position. This is the point. Parts of a flat drill. The flat drill consists of a head, neck, and shank. It has a tapered shank given in picture 3. This is the shank and this is the neck, this is the head. And this is a flat drill parts. The flat drill is used for drilling shallow holes in heavy works. The size of drill bits. Drills are available in various sizes. The size of drill is indicated on the plain portion of its shank. The parallel shank drills are available in small size up to 12 mm diameter. Tapered shank drill are available in sizes from 3 mm to 50 mm dia. To protect the twist drill bits from damage, place them separately in small boxes. Containers pictures 4. These drill bits are attached to either hand drilling machines of electric drilling machine to drill holes. Drill bit boxes. Types of nails and wood screw. Both nails and screw are used as fasteners in woodwork. Nails are used for cheaper type of work and screw are used for better class of work where additional strength and durability is a must. A specification of nails. Nails are specified stating their length, depth, and gauges number. Length in the case of nail include the head of the nail pictures 1. This is a pictures 1. This is the length and the type includes shape of the head, a cross sectional purpose, and the metal the nail is made of. The gauges is indicated by number in accordance with the standard wire gauge, where higher gauge number indicates a smaller diameter of nail and vice versa. Types of nails. There are different types of nails made for different purpose. Those that are generally used in electrical work are wear nail A, wear cloth nail B, cut tank or stud C, and wear tack D. The specification of screw. Screw also are specified in similar way as nail are stating their length, dimension, number, type, and the metal they are made of. Parts of wood screw. The parts of a wood screw are showing pictures too. This is the 2D and 90-degree angle head and shank, and this is the pitch, this is the thread, and this is the point wood screw. Headed uppermost part shank plane or unthreaded portion of 1 by 3 of the length of screw. Pitch, it is the distance between adjustment thread point, the sharp edge of the screw end. Thread, a special ridge around the core, and thread, the special range around the core. Length is measured from the point of the screw to the portion it can enter the timber. Given picture 3, this is the length and different types of length. This is the countersink head, and this is the countersink head. This is the countersink head and raised head and round head, and this is a cock for a square head. The designation number of screw indicates the diameter of the unthreaded shank. The screw number and the corresponding diameter of the shank are given IS 6739, 6736, 676. Their screw number is the screw designation. It is different from SWG of the Varnes given pictures 4. This is 4, 12s, 10s, 8, 6 and 4. The size and designation number of wood screw. Type of screw according to the shape of the head screw are classified into slotted countersunk flat head wood screw, picture 3a, used for general purpose IS 67060 19722. Slotted countersunk raised head wood screw, picture 3b, used for fixing thick sheets to wood. A slotted round head screw, 3c, and it is used for fixing thin sheet to wood work. IS 6739 1972. Coach or square head screw, picture 3d, is used for heavy duty work. It is tightened using a spanner. And ability wood screw are generally made of mild steel, aluminum and brass, and are from 8 mm to 200 mm length with a screw numbers ranging from 0 to 24. The chart preferred length and screw number combination for wood screw is available in the Revent IS. The screw commonly used for electrician are from screw number 4 to 12 and 12 mm to 50 mm in length. Wood screw are available in packet 100 and 200 numbers. The size and number of the screw are indicated on the packet. Mild steel screw are most commonly used for general work. Brass and aluminum screw are used to match the metal fitting and also to prevent rust under damp condition. Ratchet brace. Ratchet brace, one of the tools for holding various types of bits for making holes various diameter in wood by manual operation, is the ratchet brace. It is used for jobs that require slow speed and high torque operation. Parts of their function head. The head is made of wood and is fitted to the upper end of crank with ball bearing. It is used to hold the brace and an upright position by one hand and also apply the required force during operation. Crank. It is metal rod bent to the from shown pictures 1. Ratchet brace with different shape size of crank are available. The size mostly used in one of those 250 mm sweep. A wood handle is provided to rotate the crank by the hand that is free. Chuck. It is fitted at the lower end of the crank. It has two jaws for holding square shank bits and a shell for tightening and cycling jaw. Ratchet. It permits the chuck to rotate is only one select direction. The selection of direction is done by turning the cam-ring. The allow to the rotate the bit continuous and in confined space as well where the full sweep of the crank is restricted. This is the ratchet brace and this is the crank. This is the head and handle, sweep diameter to swing, ratchet, sail, jaw, cam-ring and ratchet brace. Countersunk beads and tab sizes. Countersinking is done on a drilled screw hole to accommodate the countersunk head of the wood screw. The process of removing out material around a hole at its surface up to a depth to match the CS screw head is known as a countersinking. Given a pictures 1. This is a pictures 1. This is a countersunk beads and variation of the size of head CS screw with the screw number makes it necessary to select the suitable CS bead size of countersunk beads. The countersunk bead size is specified the rim diameter. The general size of the bead varies from 10 mm to 25 mm. The 82 curtains angle CS beads are used because wood screw always bear 90 a degree slope. Method of selection: select the countersunk bit of the next higher dia size to that of the wood screw head diameter with the head of screw. Ensure the required depth while a countersunkings. Given a pictures 2. Given a pictures 2, this is the head of wood screw for countersunkings, and types of two types of bits are Rose's countersunk bit picture 3, and which is a multi-cutting edge tool, nail outer sunk bit which has a single cutting edge 3V, and 3V. This is a rose countersunk bit. This is nail countersunk bits. Nail countersunk bits. Screwdriver used in woodwork. Screwdrivers are available in different size and patterns according to their application. The types of screwdrivers: London patterns. It is heavily screwdriver having a size of 75 to 350 mm with a flat shank. It is used for general woodwork. Cabinet pattern is medium screwdriver having a size of 75 to 350 mm. It used for cabinet work. Electrician pattern is common types of screwdriver used by electrician. It is available for 100 mm to 300 mm size. The handle is made of either wood or plastic. The shank is either insulated or non-insulated. Picture 1C. In the ratchet types of screwdriver, a ratchet is fitted within handle. The blade of screwdriver can be set to different position for clockwise or anti-clockwise revolution of the screwdriver blade. It can also be set to a neutral position locked. It is used for general purpose and available in size ranging from 50 mm to 200 mm. Picture 1D. Cranked screwdriver is a special types used where normal screwdriver cannot be applied. Pictures 1E. Spiral ratchet works on rotary action. It is used with interchangeable blades of different size and patterns available in 300, 500, 600 mm length. Only a downward pressures need to applied while using these types of screwdriver. This type of screwdriver can be also be set in both clock and anti-clockwise revolution for screwing and unscrewing purpose. Pictures 1F. Pictures is the Gideon Dats. This is the sleeve, control ratchets and spiral, collar for fixing compressed position, and a spiral revolving collars, also control chuck beat, and screwdriver. This is screwdriver. The Phillips screwdriver used for dry Phillips head screw. It is a special purpose screwdriver available in 75 to 200 mm. The Phillips screwdrivers given. A Phillips screwdriver is used to drive a Phillips head screw. It is a special purpose screwdriver available in 75 to 200 mm size. The Phillips screwdriver pictures 2 will not slip and burn the head of screw is if a proper size is selected. Given a pictures to a Phillips screwdriver. Sharpening and seating of sawtooth to perform the sawing operation with ease and accuracy. The saw must be in good condition with its teeth sharpened and well set. The sharpenings of saw involves 4 steps which are as follow: topping or jointing. This is done to bring down the point of all teeth to the same level. A flat file is held in a wooden block and rubber over the teeth until the lowest tooth touches the file face. Reshaping जो होता है, it is necessary to restore the tips of teeth. Therefore, the gluet of each tooth is filled down using a suitable sized triangular file. Care is taken to maintain a uniform depth is a glute's pitch and angle of teeth. Setting is a process of bending every alternate tooth in opposite direction. This is accurate. This is carried out by using a saw set pliers. Given a picture, say this is the wooden blocks, and this is the file and topping file, and this is a file, saw file, teeth sharpening the file. Setting of teeth. The sharpenings, this is the final step in which the glute of each both of the saw is filled to produce a keen cutting edge using a suitable size of triangular file. Given a pictures 4. This is 65 degree angles, and 60 and 63 degree angles, rank angle 15 to 18 degree. Topping is necessary only when the saw teeth have become uneven, their height and resharpening flowing it flows it. Resharp, resharpening of plain blade. A sharpening of plain blade is necessary to produce a keen cutting edge for good surface finish and perfect planning with minimum effort. Sharpening and honing. The process of sharpening is carried out on a stone, oil stone, rubbing the blade with its well down, maintaining a constant and correct angle 25 to 30 degree angle. This rubbing is continued until a bar or wire gauge is produced. The bar is removed by rubbing the back of the plate face the plain blade on the oil stone, keeping its bevel of pictures too. During a sharpening, oil used to minimize the heat caused. Given a pictures 1, a sharpening of plain blade, and given to pictures 2, this is a bar remover. Due to friction and float of the metal particles from the pores of oil stones so as to prevent cloggings of the oil stone. Because of the continuous use and numerous sharpenings, the bevel of the blade likely to because sorted from rounded to correct level is restored by grinding it over an emery well of grindstone. Given a picture 3, this is the plain blade, and grinding or emerying well. Chisel parts types used. Chisels are used for sharpening and finishing the parts of wood joints. They are also used for sharpening different profiles in woodwork. The size of the chisel is determined by the width of the blade. Parts of chisel. A chisel has the flowing parts, handle made of wood, ferrule fitted to the handle, and a tang tapered end of the blade. Shoulder, the lower end of tang neck shaped portion beneath the shoulder blade, the portion beneath the neck of the cutting edge. Types of chisel. Farmer chisel, it possesses a rectangular section steel blade, the size wide of blade being 3 mm to 50 mm. It is used for general chiseling work. Bevel edge farmer chisel, its edge are beveled. The handle, and this is a brass ferrule tang shoulder, and this is the neck steel blade, and this is the chisel parts. Along the length, it is used for light chisels and to clean sharp corner where the edge for normal farmer chisel may not reach. Paring chisel, it has extra long the blade with edge beveled. It is used for paring and finishing joints. Mortile chisel, it possesses a stronger square section blade. It is used for mastering eye making rectangular holes in wood. This is the types of chisels. Half lap joint types uses necessities of lap joint. Half lap joints are employed in frame construction where two parts of job meet either near the ends of, yeah, at a distance. To keep them flush, laps are made equal to half the thickness in each part. These joints are strengthened by fixing screw. Types of half lap joints, end lap joints. This joints is used where two parts a job cross each other at the ends, say at the corners. This is the half tab joints. Middle lap joint. This joint is used where one part of a job meets another part at some distance from the ends. 2, this is the middle lap joint. This is the middle lap joint, and cross lap joints. This joint is used where two parts of frame cross each other at a distance from the ends. Picture 3, this is the cross lap joint. Curve cutting saw types uses. Curve cutting saw have a narrow blades which enable them to turn along the curve with ease while sawing along the curves. Shift and wider blades are provided with handles while every fine blades are held in frames to keep them under tension. Very narrow, fine blades are dispensed with and replaced as soon as they become blunt. The other blades are resharpened. There are various types of curve cutting saw. The saw wide, slightly wider blades are used for cutting larger curves, and the saw with finer blades are used for cutting sharp curves. Types of curve cutting jaw. Types of curve cutting jaw: compass jaw used for larger curve cutting, and keyhole saw या pad saw, it is used for internal cutting, and coping saw, it is used for cutting sharp corner. uh, Preat saw, it has very fine blade, it is used for cutting sharp and fine curves. This is the coping saw, and this is the given picture 4. This is a Preat saw, and given pictures blades with larger teeth, with larger blades with larger teeth will cut faster, but the surface will be enough, and the blades with a smaller teeth will cut slower, but the surface will have a fine finish. Woodworking file parts uses. uh, Woodworking file are used to shape various profiles for smooth finishing wood. Yeah, laminated types and use of woodworking. Various types of the available woodworking files are named according to the shape of their cross section. This is a round file, this is a flat wood file, and this is a half round wood file, this is a wood rasp file. And types of woodworking files: round files used for finishing concave corner, and were for finishing and enlarging. Flat file used for finishing in the grains and corner edge. Half round files used for finishing both corners and convex edge. And wood rasp file used for primarily rough work for rapid removal of waste part of the wood. All files should be cleaned frequently. This is the cleaning of file. This is the cleaning of file. This is the cleaning of file.